So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 21st of February. Now let's just have a look what happened price and where prices may likely go. So from our previous video, we did find support in around the 105.55. We did see after briefly holding beneath this 106.31. We were saying that we were looking for prices to head up towards the 106.94, beyond which we're looking for price head up towards that 107.32. Now we have seen the successful break of the 106.94, and we've seen a successful break also of the 107.32. We've in our move up to 107.32, we've had this brief consolidation beneath the 107.32 before we have seen the break of the 107.32. And in breaking 107.32, we also broke above the 200 period moving average. Now, what we might see from here, we might see a retracement back down towards the support if we do of the 200 period moving average and the 107.32. If we do hold that level, we would be looking for further upside continuation, possibly up to that 108.13, the very next major level, beyond which we have to be aware of the 400 period moving average here. 400 period moving average currently sitting in around 108.35. Beyond 108.35, we are looking for price to head up towards that 108.80, another major level. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 108.80 here on Wednesday, the 21st of February. Now, so these are levels that we are looking at on the US dollar Japanese yen. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving up towards that 109.50, 108.80. I'd expect to be far end of the range. Now, if we do fail to see the further upside continuation here above the 200 period moving average and 107.32, we'll look to see our price direct around 107.94. A successful break from there, we'll be looking for prices to head back down towards that 106.32, where we did have that consolidation before the break to the upside. And beyond there, we'll be looking to retrace the entire move to the upside with a move back down to the 105.55 on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. And yeah, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen here on the hourly charts. Overall, we're in a pretty strong trend here to the upside in favor of the US dollar. But we are likely to see a retracement at some point. Difficult to say when. If we do see a further upside continuation, we'll see how if 108.13 provides the opportunity for a retracement before we see further upside continuation on the US dollar against Japanese yen. So let's head over to the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Over to the daily chart, what can we see here? So over to the daily chart, we can see we've had a very strong sell-off. We've posted a bullish pin bar from the 105.55, from which on this daily chart here, from which we've had 2 consecutive days of bullish price action. 2 consecutive bullish days of price action after posting the pin bar. So in reality, we've got 3 consecutive days, and we do look poised for a 4th with the bullish nature of the current candle. Now, if we do see that further bullish momentum, we would have pretty much like a V-shaped reversal here developing on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Overall, though, a second. So overall, it came down to an area where we did find support in the past, and yeah, we are seeing that bullish buy side continuation, even if it may be a bit short-lived before we see further downside momentum on the US dollar against Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.